How to connect iPhone to BMW 1 Series. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to a BMW 1 Series step by step. Whether you want to use Bluetooth for calls and music or Apple CarPlay for full functionality, I'll walk you through the process in a quick and easy way. Part 1. Connecting via Bluetooth. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and keep this screen open. Now, in your BMW 1 Series, press the menu button, the iDrive controller, and go to Communication or Settings, depending on your version. Select Manage Mobile Devices, then choose Connect New Device and Phone Calls and Audio. Your BMW will now appear on your iPhone under Other Devices. Tap on it to pair. A code will appear on both screens. Confirm that the code matches and tap Pair. Allow access to contacts and sync features to finish the setup. Part 2. Using Apple CarPlay. Wireless or wired? If your BMW supports Apple CarPlay, here's how to use it. For wireless CarPlay, keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled on your iPhone. Go back to Manage Mobile Devices on the iDrive and choose Apple CarPlay. Select your car on the iPhone Bluetooth list. Confirm the pairing and CarPlay should launch automatically. For wired CarPlay, simply plug your iPhone into the USB port using a lightning cable. Your BMW will ask if you want to launch Apple CarPlay. Confirm and you're good to go. And that's it. That was a complete tutorial on how to connect your iPhone to a BMW 1 Series. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.